Hello everybody. In this video we will talk about sets. Sets are collection of unique unordered elements. In sets there can be only one representative of the same object. Let's jump to Jupyter Notebook and explore these concepts of sets. Now let's start off by creating a variable. You can call it whatever you want. As you can see that a set is initiated using the syntax shown above. Now let me call the variable to check if it has been initiated. As you can see that my set variable returns set with open and close parentheses. This shows that the set data type has been initiated in the variable mySet and it is ready to use. Now let me show you how you can add objects to a set using .add method. Now let me call the variable again. Perfect. Keep in mind that .add function only takes in one argument. If we try to take more than one, it will give us an error. As you can see that we have received an error. This error says that set.add function only takes exactly one argument, but two were given. So this is a thing that you have to keep in mind. Now let me call the variable again. First let me remove this. Now you may realize that this object have curly braces around it. And you may think it's a dictionary, but it's not, because it does not have any key value pair with it. It's just an unordered collection of any item you want. Now let me show you something. Here I'm adding the object 5 twice in the set that we created earlier. Now let me call the variable. As you can see that I've tried to initiate 5 twice in the set that we created earlier, but we can see that 5 is occurring just once. This is basically what a set does. A set contains unique unordered collection of elements. So in some point in future, if you want to have a variable that contains all the elements, even if they are repeated, in that case you can use lists. There are some other functions that I would like to show you. And that function is .clear, which basically removes all the content inside of a set. To demonstrate that, I will create another set. Now let me call the variable again. As you can see that we still have those objects inside of the set. Now let me use the .clear method to remove all of them. As you can see that the set is empty. Well, that's it for this video. This video was all about quick overview of set. I've taught you the things that you may need to know about a set, and we will use it later in this course. If you have any question or doubt, you can always go to the comment section to ask your doubts or questions there. I'll try to answer them as soon as possible.